upon a time, in a small village nestled among the rolling hills, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily was only 3 years old, but she had a heart full of wonder and curiosity. Every night, before she went to bed, she would gaze out of her bedroom window and sing the familiar nursery rhyme: "Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are." Lily loved the stars. She would spend hours in her backyard, lying on a blanket and looking up at the night sky. She would point out the different constellations like the Big Dipper and Orion's belt and make up stories about the faraway planets and galaxies she could see twinkling above her. One night, as Lily lay on her blanket, gazing up at the twinkling stars, she heard a soft voice calling her name. Startled, she sat up and looked around, but there was no one in sight. Confused, she shrugged it off and lay back down, staring up at the sky once more. "Hello, Lily," the voice said once again. This time, Lily recognized it as the voice of a twinkling star high above her. "Hello, Mr. Star," Lily replied, her eyes wide with wonder. "How are you speaking to me? I have watched you for many nights, dear Lily," the star said. "I have seen how you gaze up at the sky with wonder and curiosity. I have heard your sweet voice singing my nursery rhyme, and I have been waiting for the perfect moment to reveal myself to you." Lily's heart pounded with excitement. A talking star! She could hardly believe her luck. "What do you want to tell me, Mr. Star?" she asked. "I want to take you on a magical journey through the night sky," the star replied. "I want to show you the wonders of the universe and help you discover the mysteries of the cosmos." Lily's eyes widened with delight. She quickly grabbed her blanket and rolled it up, tucking it under her arm. "I'm ready, Mr. Star. Let's go." And with that, the twinkling star flew down from the sky and nestled itself in Lily's hand. Together, they rose into the air and floated up into the night sky. Lily felt weightless and free, soaring among the stars and planets, guided by her new friend. As they flew higher and higher, Lily saw the planets up close, with their swirling colors and rings. She flew past meteor showers and comets, marveling at their beauty and brightness. She even danced with the northern lights, their vibrant colors swirling around her like a magical cloak. The night flew by in a blur of wonder and awe, but eventually it was time to return home. As they descended back to earth, Lily felt a pang of sadness. She didn't want the adventure to end. "Thank you, Mr. Star, for showing me the wonders of the universe," Lily said as they landed back in her backyard. "I will never forget this night." The star twinkled brightly in response. "You are a special little girl, Lily. Keep looking up at the sky and never lose your sense of wonder. You have a bright future ahead of you." And with that, the star flew back up into the sky, leaving Lily alone in her backyard, staring up at the twinkling stars above. She knew that she would always remember this magical night, and she couldn't wait to share her story with all her friends and family. From that night on, Lily's love for the stars only grew stronger. She would sing her nursery rhyme every night before bed, knowing that somewhere up there her twinkling friend was watching over her, guiding her through the vast expanse of the universe. And as she lay on her blanket, staring up at the twinkling stars, Lily couldn't help but smile. She knew that no matter where life took her, she would always have a little piece of magic in her heart, thanks to her dear friend, the twinkling star.